Hi all, welcome back. Today I'm going to share the recipe to make banana pancakes at home. They turn out really very fluffy, very soft and very yummy. So let's start. I'm going to start by adding one banana. This is ripe banana. I'm going to add one whole banana. Along with this I'm going to add one egg. This makes approximately 5 to 6 pancakes depending on the size. Also adding half cup of sugar. 1 spoon of vanilla essence, half cup of milk. Now I am going to run this in mixer until everything turns out smooth and creamy like this. Now into this I am going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Now mix this nicely. You have to make sure that there are no lumps in the mixture and the mixture becomes velvety smooth and flowy like this. Now the batter is ready. I am going to heat 1 tablespoon oil or ghee in a pan, and into this I am going to add in the batter. Do not spread the batter, just add in, and once bubbles start to come out of the batter, you can flip it. Cook the other side as well. Serve this hot along with honey and fruits of your choice. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, do give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.